How would you do? Pick one up each and have like sword fights.
Ooh, painful.
Gladiators. I'm having that one. I want this one. Oh, okay, that was like a good day.
Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike.
And this is Diana. This season is take 2 of an experience that we've already done, but we're doing it differently this time, traveling from the north of England all the way to central Portugal. Armed with a new arsenal, we've got knowledge and we've got a bit of experience, and this time maybe we're even a bit wiser than we were the first time. So I hope you enjoy the ride. You can check out how we cope traveling, looking at properties, and who knows, maybe we might even find the right property. So stay tuned. Laters. Hi there, thank you for joining me on another episode. Today we are at the Botanical Gardens in Coimbra. It's pronounced Jardim Botanico Universidade de Coimbra. I hope I didn't do too bad there. So we are taking a break from looking at some properties. Today we decided to go down to Coimbra and have a look at the Botanical Gardens. From what I could see, there was 2 parts to the garden center, or the Botanical Garden, more of a classic garden and then more of a forest. So in the classic garden, I think it spreads over 6 terraces, stone walls, iron gates, lakes, statues, etc. And I think the layout for the flowers were like geometric style. The forest covered around 8 hectares, and it was such a beautiful bamboo forest that we walked through. It is connected or slightly close to the Mondego River. Some of the things that we saw were amazing. There was this beautiful banyan tree, and it was amazing. It just, I love seeing nature. So you had the giant bamboo trees, you had Japanese cedar trees, Himalayan cedar trees, there were eucalyptus trees, which I know is prolific in Portugal, but the smell was amazing. And there were so many flowers and plants and animals hiding in the forestry, etc. And it was amazing. So if you're headed down to Coimbra, definitely visit Botanical Gardens in Coimbra, because it's a beautiful place to sit down, relax. They've got water fountains everywhere, so plenty to drink if it's really hot, which it was on that day. But yeah, it's such a beautiful, peaceful, scenic place to visit. It's amazing. So I hope you enjoy the video. And coming up next, a couple more properties, and then we're gonna take a bit more time to think about our plans so far. So I'll get back to you soon. I'll see you later. Bye.
It looks like several different trees. It's not. Amazing. Okay. Is the fruit on banyan trees
Yeah.
you can eat?
Yeah, there are fruit that you can eat.
It's not papaya, is it?
No. Different kind of fig. It might be here. I saw people walking on it just now.
Australia.
Wow. Plan everything out, millimetre perfect. I bet if you put a line through the centre of that, if you put the centre of the fountain, centre of that archway, centre of the top archway.
I do how. They've put pops too.
And you can put the length on these. Where you see loads of the countries getting this country. That's like getting in the UK.
Thanks for watching this video. We really do appreciate your support. Please like, share, and comment on these videos. Let us know what you're enjoying so we can do more of that. And I hope to see you soon. Laters!